To log into your account, you need to use your username and password. First, we need to set up your business profile. To do that, go to WABA and click on the view icon. Then select the business profile option where you can set your profile picture and provide other details such as email, business category and address. You can check your wallet balance at the top right corner. Before sending messages to the customers, you must obtain content approval. This means that the content needs to be verified and approved by Meta. To do this, go to WABA, click the view icon and select the template option. Here you can see all the templates that have already been approved. To create a new template, click on Create Template, give the template an appropriate name that relates to the content, and select the template category such as transactional marketing or OTP. If the content is related to promotions, choose marketing. If it relates to transactions or order placement, choose transactional. If the content requires verification such as OTP or sharing a username or password, choose one-time password. Next, choose the language for your content. In the next step, in the header section, you can attach an image, video or document. The maximum file size for an image is 15 MB, for a document is 5 MB and for a video is 50 MB. You can upload a demo file here and you can change it when sending the message. In the body section, provide the content for your template message. You can add variables for dynamic fields by clicking here. If your content includes any dynamic variables, click on the Generate Variables button and provide sample content for the dynamic fields. In the next step, you can add a footer to your content. In the button section, you can add two types of buttons: quick replies and call to action buttons. For quick replies, you can add a maximum of 3 buttons. In the call to action category, you can add a maximum of 2 buttons, such as contact number or links to your website or social media profiles. Finally, you can preview and confirm your content and submit it for approval. You can see the submitted content and the status of approval here. The approval process may take anywhere from 2 to 24 hours, depending on the complexity of your content. Once it is approved by Meta, you can send it to the customers. Now we can add the contact details of customers to send messages. To do this, go to CRM and select the contact option. Here, we can add contacts in 2 ways. One way is to add contacts one by one by clicking the Add Contact button. Adding a name and WhatsApp number is mandatory when adding a contact. The contact number must include the country code. The other option is to import contacts using a CSV file. Click on Import Contact and select the CSV file you want to import. I have a customer list with the customer's name, mobile number and location. If you want to save the location of each customer, you need to create a new field for the contact. Go to Custom Fields and add a new field. Once you save the custom field, it will appear in the contact section. Now you can import the contacts and map the fields. After importing the contacts, you can see them in the contact section with the customer's location added. You can quickly filter these contacts using predefined filters or create new filters. You can select one or more columns to filter the contacts. You can also create groups using these filters. Go to Segments, give an appropriate name for the segment and select the filter. You can see the number of contacts selected using this filter. Once you save the segment, you are ready to start the campaign. To send messages to users, go to CRM and select the campaign option. Click on Create Campaign and give it a campaign name. You can choose to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. You can send messages to all the customers in the contact list or to one or more segments you have created. Here, you can see the total number of contacts targeted. Next, select the message to be sent and choose a template that has already been approved by Meta. If the content contains any media, you can upload it. If your content includes any dynamic variables, you can set them at this time as well. After providing all the details, you can preview the message and save the campaign. In the action field, you can trigger the message. If the message is scheduled, it will automatically be triggered at the scheduled time. Here, you can obtain a detailed report of the campaign, including how many messages were delivered and how many were read by the customers. If any messages failed, you can also see the reasons. We provide a live chat option in this panel where you can see customer replies or queries and directly reply to them from here. You can send either the approved template or other messages. In this portal, we provide 2 to 10 logins for each customer. An admin can create team members and control their access permissions. Here, I am creating a role that grants access to contact management, campaign creation, and live chat. You can save this role and create a new user with this role.